drinking beer will increase your milk supply. However, it's not the kind of beer you're thinking about. It's not the modern beer that we have. So back then, women were actually prescribed beer to increase their milk supply. But the type of beer they were prescribed add more of the same type of things that non-alcoholic beer has. And that is barley and hops. Now, barley and hops are actually known to stimulate prolactin, which is your milk-making hormone. However, alcohol itself can actually cause a decrease in your oxytocin, which can cause you to actually make less milk. Back then, there was less alcohol in beers that were prescribed and more of the barley and hops. So during the Prohibition era, those type of beers were actually discontinued and the folklore actually lived on. The type of beer that we have now and the type of beer that they had then were different, but beer increasing milk supply stuck. Not us actually knowing that it's the beer from back then because it had barley and hops. So essentially, non-alcoholic beers that has and contain barley and hops can actually increase your milk supply. So this folklore has some truth to it. However, we have to be very careful. You should actually not be consuming any alcohol and breastfeed.